Hey everybody, today we're going to do another Dollar Tree meal, and I believe if I counted right I have $6.79 worth of Dollar Tree products to make the meal. The 79 cents comes in with these sweet peas, and they're 79 cents a can, so I'm going to go ahead and just dump these in my pot and I'm going to put them on the burner and start heating them. And if I wasn't doing a Dollar Tree haul, I would add a little bit of butter with those, but I didn't buy any butter from the Dollar Tree, so that would be cheating. Next, I'm going to point you over to the boiling pot, and that is water. I have a cup of rice. I'm going to pour that in and let the rice begin to boil. And that here's the rice bag. That's the Dollar Tree rice, and that is good rice. I really like that. It usually always plumps up good and fluffy, and I like to, when I first pour my rice in, I like to just kind of give it a little stir, and then I leave it alone until it's done. So now I won't bother that again until it's done. And I turn those burners down. Now I'm going to show you in my pan. I'm going to turn it on high. I bought 2 cans of the white. Ooh, I believe that's a little hot. I'm spilling my juice out of here. Let me go ahead and pour that in, and then I'll show you. There's a bad glare on it. It's white chicken, little pieces of white chicken. I'll show you with this one. And there are 2 cans. I poured juice and all in there. And I made kind of a mess when I spilled that. There. And I have my burner on high for now. And just don't do anything but spread it out. And to the chicken, they sell these little packs of Velveeta cheese. They're 4 ounces. So I got 2 of these, and you know, you can make more or make less, just depending on what your family needs. So I'm going to put both of these in. This Velveeta cheese is really good. And put my other one in. And I'm going to turn the burner down just a little bit because it's starting to bubble. Okay, I believe I got all that out. Now I'm going to stir this together. And I forgot something in the refrigerator. And in here. I don't think I'm prepared today. Anyway, I'm going to take some parsley and I'm going to shake a little bit in the rice. Just to flavor that up just a little bit. So I just shook it right on top. I didn't even stir it around, so it'll pick up in there. Now I have sour cream, and I forgot to count this, so if I said $6.79, it'd be $7.79. So it's a 16-ounce container of sour cream, and I'm going to use half of this container of sour cream, and I'm just going to eyeball it. And that might have been a little more than half, but that's okay. And so you might need to turn that down pretty much. I would turn that down really low. I have mine on, I'm going to put it just as low as it'll go without cutting the burner off. And to that, well, I can't do that because it's not a Dollar Tree spice. Just a minute. This is, I was going to put some of the oil and garlic from the stuff I do, but I can't, so I'm going to just shake some garlic out of the Dollar Tree garlic. And so, put that in there. And then, let me grab something out of the microwave. Okay, here is a bag of the Winter Blend from Dollar Tree. It's a 16-ounce bag. And what I did was just put a little water and the vegetables. I covered it and put it in the microwave for 6 minutes. It's got this little bit of water on it, which I'm going to pour off. And now, you know, with broccoli and cauliflower, cheese sauce is really good. So we're going to add that to it. And I'm just going to kind of cover it, not stir it around a whole bunch, because you don't want your vegetables to break up. So this is just going to kind of heat through. I'm going to put a lid on it. And this is an old plate, an old metal plate. And I just put it on top as a lid. And as soon as the rice finishes cooking, I'll be ready to plate it up and let you see the finished meal. So I'll see you back shortly. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, lunch is done, and I'm going to dish it up for you. Here you can see the meat, I hope. And maybe that light's down a little bit too much. Maybe that's better. I got the wrong plate. Okay, and here is the rice. I think you might can see. Oh, hold it. You can see where the parsley's kind of around the edges. It's nice and fluffy. And then here are the peas. So I'm going to put some rice on the plate. There. And then, see, I need to get another spoon. Some peas. Now I'll put some of this over the rice. Get plenty of that cheese sauce on the rice is how I like it. And I've made a mess, but that just does not look good. Okay, there it is. That's the Dollar Tree meal that I came up with from ingredients offered at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to try to do this more often. But anyway, I hope you think it looks good and give it a try. And if you do, tell me what you think. Have a great Saturday, a blessed Sunday, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.